Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
English Speaking Practice Conversation. Chapter 1. A New Beginning. A young man named Ravi lived in a small town. He was very hardworking and wanted to improve his English speaking skills. Ravi knew that speaking English well would help him find better job opportunities and communicate with people from different places. One day, his friend Aman said, "Ravi, if you want to improve your English, you need to practice speaking every day. Let's practice together." Ravi smiled and said, "That sounds like a great idea, Aman. But I don't know where to start." Aman replied, "Don't worry. We will start with simple conversations. Let's talk about daily life." Chapter 2. Practicing Simple Conversations. Aman and Ravi started practicing simple conversations. They talked about different topics every day. Day 1, greetings. Aman, "Good morning, Ravi. How are you today?" Ravi, "Good morning, Aman. I am fine. How about you?" Aman, "I am doing well. Thank you. What are your plans for today?" Ravi, "I have to go to the market and buy some vegetables." Aman, "That sounds good. Can I come with you?" Ravi, "Of course. Let's go together." Day 2, talking about daily routine. Aman, "Ravi, can you tell me about your daily routine?" Ravi, "Sure. I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and take a bath. After that, I eat my breakfast and go to work. In the evening, I come back home, have dinner and read a book. Then I go to bed at 10 p.m. Aman, "That's a good routine. Do you exercise in the morning?" Ravi, "Not every day, but I try to exercise at least 3 times a week." Day 3. Ordering food in a restaurant. Aman and Ravi decided to visit a restaurant to practice ordering food in English. Waiter, "Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Here is the menu." Aman, "Thank you. Can you please suggest something delicious?" Waiter, "Sure. Our special dish today is grilled chicken with vegetables." Ravi, "That sounds tasty. I will have that." Aman, "I would like a vegetable sandwich, please." Waiter, "Would you like something to drink?" Ravi, "Yes, I would like a fresh orange juice." Aman, "I will have a cup of tea." Waiter, "Great. I will bring your order soon." Chapter 3. Overcoming the fear of speaking. At first, Ravi felt nervous while speaking English, but Aman encouraged him to keep practicing. Aman said, "Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Keep speaking and you will improve." Ravi nodded and said, "Yes, you are right. I will not be afraid anymore. I will keep practicing." One day, Ravi met a foreign tourist named John in the park. John was looking for directions. "John, excuse me. Can you help me find the railway station?" Ravi, "Yes, of course. Walk straight, then turn left. The railway station is near the bus stop." John, "Thank you so much." Ravi, "You're welcome. Have a nice day." After helping John, Ravi felt very happy and confident. He realized that he could communicate in English if he practiced regularly. Chapter 4. Talking about hobbies. One evening, Ravi and Aman talked about their hobbies. Aman, "Ravi, what do you like to do in your free time?" Ravi, "I love reading books and listening to music. Reading helps me learn new things." Aman, "That's great. What kind of books do you read?" Ravi, "I enjoy reading adventure and history books. What about you?" Aman, "I love playing football and watching movies. Playing football keeps me fit." Chapter 5. Future Plans. One day, Aman asked Ravi about his future plans. Aman, "What do you want to do in the future, Ravi?" Ravi, "I want to improve my English and get a good job. I also want to travel to different countries." Aman, "That sounds exciting. Which country would you like to visit first?" Ravi, "I would love to visit the UK because it has a rich history and beautiful places." Aman, "That's a great choice. Keep practicing English and you will achieve your dreams. Chapter 6. Conclusion. After months of practice, Ravi became more confident in speaking English. He started talking to more people and even helped others learn English. His journey showed that regular practice and confidence are the keys to improving English speaking skills. One day, Ravi thanked Aman and said, "Because of your support, I can now speak English with confidence." "Thank you, my friend." Aman smiled and said, "I am proud of you, Ravi. Keep practicing and never stop learning." The story of Ravi teaches us that anyone can learn English with daily practice and determination. Start with small conversations, don't be afraid of mistakes, and soon you will be fluent in English. Moral of the story: practice speaking English every day. Start with simple conversations and improve step by step. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Confidence and consistency are the keys to success. English speaking practice conversation, daily English speaking, improve your English. Are you struggling to speak English fluently? Do you want to improve your English conversation skills? This video is perfect for you. In this English speaking practice conversation video, you will learn simple and practical conversations that will help you speak English confidently in daily life. Speaking English fluently requires regular practice, confidence, and the right approach, and this video will guide you step by step. Small blue diamond, what you will learn in this video. Heavy check mark, common English conversations for beginners. Heavy check mark, how to greet someone and start a conversation. Heavy check mark, talking about daily routines, hobbies, and future plans. Heavy check mark, how to order food in a restaurant. Heavy check mark, how to ask for directions and help someone. Heavy check marked, the best tips to improve your spoken English. Heavy check mark, how to speak English naturally and fluently. Speaking head, why should you watch this video? If you feel shy or nervous while speaking English. If you make mistakes and lack confidence. If you don't know how to start a conversation in English. If you want to learn English easily through practice. This video is perfect for English learners who want to boost their confidence and improve their fluency with real-life conversations. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your speaking skills, this video will help you learn English naturally and effectively. Tips to improve your English speaking. White heavy checkmark practice every day. The more you speak, the better you get. White heavy checkmarks start with simple sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. White heavy checkmark, listen and repeat. Imitate native speakers to improve pronunciation. White heavy checkmark, use common phrases. Learn how to respond naturally in conversations. White heavy checkmark, talk to friends or use chatbots. Real conversations make learning fun. Light bulb, who can benefit from this video? Small blue diamond students who want to speak English fluently. Small blue diamond people preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or spoken English exams. Small blue diamond professionals who need English for work and business. Small blue diamond, anyone who wants to improve daily English conversations. Loudspeaker, watch till the end and practice speaking English with us. Speech balloon, don't just watch. Practice along with the video to make the most of your learning experience. Repeat the dialogues, try speaking aloud, and build confidence step by step. Fire like, comment, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Loudspeaker, share this video with your friends who want to improve their English speaking skills. Bell, turn on notifications so you never miss our latest English learning videos.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into Englishstorywell, where every story is a step towards mastering English.